High from the earth I heard a bird, by Emily Dickinson. High from the earth I heard a bird, he trod upon the trees, as he esteemed them trifles, and then he spied a breeze, and situated softly upon a pile of wind, which in a perturbation nature had left behind. A joyous going fellow, I gathered from his talk, which both of benediction and badinage partook. Without apparent burden, I learned, in leafy wood he was the faithful father of a dependent brood. In this untoward transport his remedy for care, a contrast to our respites, how different we are!